Hey y'all, so I'm starting off this vlog a little differently than I would. So in this clip, I'm doing my mom's hair. I was supposed to get a whole thing together for my mom. So basically for Valentine's Day, I surprised her by buying her a whole outfit, and I wanted to do her hair because she knows that I want to get into doing hair and things like that. So stay tuned. That was one of my goals for this year, which was to start doing hair like she does. Be right back.
Hey guys, so we are doing another vlog today. This is our Valentine's Day vlog. Last year I did a hotel surprise for my mom, so this year we're doing something different, but we're still spending Valentine's Day together, so yay! So we did, did my mom. So we're on the way to the nail salon to get our feet done, and then we are going to go to, we don't leave it a surprise, but I did my own press-on nails, custom made. This is how they look. I did my mom's nails. Look at hers. Look at these. Yes. Okay. And yes, we're gonna leave the rest for surprise. And yeah, you guys get to join us on a really good day. Okay. So yes, happy Valentine's Day for those that have a boo and don't have a boo, girl, because it's okay regardless. Okay, you're still a baddie. You're still a baddie. Remember that. You still a baddie. Okay. All right. Bye, y'all.
So because I didn't have enough time to do her slicked back low ponytail, we just went with straight hair. So I just flattened her whole hair. I'm doing her makeup now in this clip. The whole idea of this day was to pretty much give her a makeover, do her makeup, do her hair. I bought her whole outfit because we were going to the selfie room to take pictures. But back to what I was saying about my single ladies. Believe me, self-love is the best love. I'm gonna be a little transparent and tell you guys that I've recently went through a breakup, and it was tough, and it's gonna be tough, but trust me.
Alright y'all, so we are now heading out to our event, or our little mother and daughter thing we're gonna do for Valentine's Day. Got my shades on, and I would show our outfits, but we're gonna wait until we get to the actual place. I'm super excited. I think it's gonna be super fun and cute. And here's my mommy looking all cute. So, oh yeah, and I can't find my glasses, y'all.
So yeah, you guys are currently going through a similar situation, and honestly this could be for guys and my girls. If you guys going through a similar situation to where you've going through a breakup or experiencing some type of loss, the best thing you can do is focus on yourself and really put yourself first. It is going to be hard in the beginning, but just know that with time things will get better. Know that everything happens for a reason, and to remember who you are and who you want to become. Focus on that. I'm telling you, the more love you put into yourself, the more happiness you'll find, and the more you'll realize your self-worth.
So yeah, we just not leaving the selfie room, and a lot of the cute pictures came out. Check my Instagram because yes, those pictures came out really good and cute. And yeah, we are going now. We just driving around running errands. So like it's 2 places we gotta hit because we need some things for a seafood boil. We're gonna do a seafood boil at home. You about to go the wrong way, y'all. But yeah, so we gonna do seafood boil at home. I'm gonna vlog that, and probably do a mukbang, everything. So y'all stay tuned for that video. And yeah, y'all got this mask on, like this on my chin, but I don't care. So still look good.
Alright, so that's enough of my motivational talk. I'm back to doing my mom's hair, trying to practice getting my slick ponytails mastered. I had to, redo her edges with the flat iron. And then I'm gonna start slicking her hair back with some got to be spray and a blow dryer. And y'all, my mom has beautiful thick hair, but it was getting slick, y'all. And I was so proud. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm really doing this. So y'all stay tuned. So after I get done flattering her edges, making sure, her hair is straight, I ended up going over the other parts of her hair as well with the flat iron. I'm using the got to be spray to slick it back, trying to create some baby hairs for her. In the meantime, like, I'm literally running into different mistakes that I've made. So after finishing this ponytail, if I would do this hairstyle again on my mom, I would know what not to do and what to do. So I'm super excited to learn as I go. Honestly, this process was like a team effort. I had my mom braiding her own hair. I had my brother holding the hair. So, but it all came out well. And yeah, I'm looking forward to next time. This process, like I said, was very fun. It made me excited. And so, yes, I just want to thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned to my mom's reaction to her ponytail. She was loving it. Alright, y'all. Bye.